Okay. What'd the bird do? Did it go over there? What'd the bird do? It flew away? Yeah? Where'd it go? That way? Yeah? What'd the bird say? Is there a bird up there? Yeah? Yeah? The bird up there. Where'd the bird go? What? You want my hand? What is that? Say bird. Finn. You say bird? That's not how you say bird. Bird. You say cat? Can you say dog? Can you say water? Can you say mommy? Can you say daddy? Can you say Scheherazade? Can you say Evander? Can you say kiss? Can you say Julian? Can you say Julian? Oh. Can you say Julian? Oh, you want to give mommy a kiss? Thank you. Can you say... Can you say boat?
Boat.
Yeah. Can you say car? Car. Very good. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.